Hi. Was that light too bright? Show us how you eat your toast. Is that delicious? Mmm, yummy. Yummy, yummy. You're getting so big now. Good lip smacking, honey.
A photo of me too.
Oh, we better do a photo of you too. Can you do some lip smacking?
Nope.
Nope. Should we just take a nice picture of you?
That picture.
What month is it now?
Mine.
Yours. June. Charlie's birthday month. What are we going to do for your birthday? Are we going to have a Woody and Buzz party? Oh, you eat good too. Good job. Okay, see you later.